Hello everyone. I hope you all are safe at your home. Myself Goldie Dhar from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. And today we are going to start our chapter number 10 of English Grammar of class 4, and name of the chapter is Adjectives. So open your books on page number 46. Take a pencil and eraser with yourself, okay? On page number 46, your chapter number 10 Adjectives is there. Now, before starting the chapter, I want to give you a few examples. Okay, first, now listen very carefully to these examples. Now, if I say, I am giving you a sentence, we ate some delicious food. Okay, now in this sentence, food is noun. Okay, now word delicious, it is telling us more about noun food. So, delicious is adjective because it is telling us more about noun and it is describing noun. So, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words which describes nouns and pronouns, or you can say adjectives are the words which tell us more about nouns and pronouns, which tells us speciality about nouns and pronouns. Okay. Now I am giving you one more example. Okay, I have a brown dress. Now in this sentence, dress is a noun, and which word is describing noun? Brown. Here brown word is describing dress. So here brown is an adjective. Now if I say red dress, yellow dress, pink dress, so these all words which are describing dress like red, pink, yellow, brown, these all are adjectives. And like that also in previous sentence I have said we ate some delicious food. Here delicious is adjective. We can say we ate some spicy food, some yummy food, some tasty food. So these all words, yummy, tasty, spicy, delicious, these all words are adjectives because these all words are describing food because food is noun. So once again I am telling you, words which tells us more about nouns and pronouns are called adjectives, or you can say adjectives are the describing words which describe nouns and pronouns. Okay, let's start. Chapter number 10, Adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. I have just explained you. Adjectives remain the same for singular and plural nouns or pronouns. Now, adjective remain same whether we are using for singular noun or we are using for plural noun. Let's see. Fred lost his favorite pen. Now, in this sentence, pen is noun, and which word is describing pen? Favorite. So, here favorite is an adjective. He lost his favorite pencils too. Now, here pencils is a plural noun, but again for plural noun also we are using same adjective as we have used for singular noun. So, for singular and plural, for both adjectives should be used same. Okay. Now, I am going to give you one more example. For example, I say that girl is tall. Now here I am talking about one girl, she is tall. But if I say those all girls are tall, here I am talking about so many girls. It means I am talking about plural nouns. And again I am which adjective I am using? Tall. So again I am telling you, for singular nouns and plural nouns you have to use same adjectives. Okay? An adjective may come before a noun or a pronoun or later in a sentence. It can come before a noun or later in the sentence. For example, I have an orange dress. Here you can see dress is a noun and before that adjective is here. And in the next sentence, everyone says it is pretty. So here it is pronoun and here later in the sentence adjective is come. Now, moving to next Okay, now exercises here on page number 46. Open your page number 46. Exercise A is there. Look at the pictures and fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives from those given below. Now what you have to do here, some sentences are given along with the pictures and help boxes also here, and adjectives are given in the help box. First you have to observe the pictures very carefully and then you have to fill in the blanks with the correct adjectives. Okay. Now first observe the picture. Now first picture is given here of a boy. He was walking, an umbrella is in his hand. It is a rainy day. Okay. Now the first sentence is Rajat went for a walk on a dash day. Now as you can see, it is a rainy day. So out of these adjectives, rainy will come here. Okay. Rajat went for a walk on a rainy day. Here day is a noun and for this we are using adjective rainy, because rainy adjective is describing, is telling us more about day, that what type of a day it is. Okay. Now moving to number 2, the tree near my house is dash. Now look at this tree. Okay. Now is this tree happy? No. Is this tree rainy? No. Is this tree small? No. Is this tree loud? No. Is this tree dry? Yes, this tree is dry. Okay, so here dry will come. The tree near my house is dry. Now dry is an adjective which is telling us more about a tree. So we have used here dry. The tree near my house is dry. Now moving to sentence number 3. Rabbits are dash animals. Okay. Now rabbits are small animals. We all know that. So rabbits are small animals. Okay. Now rest of the sentence you will do by your own. Okay. And then cross check with attached PDF with this video. Now moving to next exercise, exercise number B, that is on page number 46 again. Now what you have to do here, fill in the blanks with appropriate adjectives from those given in brackets. Now here some sentences are given and in every sentences 2 adjectives are given. You have to select the correct adjective and fill in the blanks. Number 1, the dash puppy hid behind the flower pot. Okay, now 2 adjectives are given here, naughty and dry. Now tell me, is puppy can be dry? Puppy can be dry? No, but puppy can be naughty. So naughty adjective will come here and it is describing this noun. Okay, noun puppy. The naughty puppy hid behind the flower pot. So here naughty adjective, adjective naughty, it is describing noun puppy. Okay. Now moving to sentence number 2. Mr. Menon hurt his dash leg in a car accident. Okay. Now 2 options are given here, right and first. Now tell me, is leg can be first or second? No, leg can be right or left. So we will use here right. Mr. Menon hurt his right leg in a car accident. Okay, here leg is a noun and right is an adjective which is describing leg. Okay. Now rest of the exercise you will do by yourself. Okay, and then cross check with the attached PDF with this video. Next exercise, exercise number C, that is on page number 47. Fill in the blanks with the opposites of the adjectives printed in red in the following sentences. Find the opposites among the words given below. Okay. Now here help box is given and some adjectives are here. Now in every sentence in red color some adjectives are given. You have to find opposite of these given adjectives and fill in the blanks. Now number 1, my knife is sharp but yours is dash. Now what is sharp? Sharp means pointed which can cut anything. Okay, that is sharp. So my knife is sharp but yours is blunt. So here blunt is here. Okay, blunt which is not sharp. which is not pointed, it cannot cut anything. So blunt will come here. My knife is sharp, but yours is blunt. Okay. Moving to number 2, at parties, I like to dress in black and dash clothes. Now, what is opposite of black? It is white. So, at parties, I like to dress in black and white clothes. Okay. Here it is white. Okay. So, these are adjectives. These all are adjectives describing nouns. Again and again I am telling you. Okay. Now, rest of the sentence you will do by your own. Now, moving to exercise D, that is on page number 47. Now, it is a little bit different. Now, complete the following phrases using suitable nouns. Here, adjectives are given. Okay, you have to complete these phrases by adding suitable nouns. Okay, now first is a soft dash. Now, what you can write? You have to write here noun because soft is an adjective. So, you can write a soft feather, a soft kitten, a soft bed. Okay, these all are nouns. So, use appropriate nouns which you find suitable for this phrase or any phrase, just fill in the blanks. Number 2, a long dash. Now, a long dash, a long road, okay, and a long rope, anything you can write any noun over here. Okay. Now, number 3, an interesting story, an interesting chapter, an interesting book. Okay, these all are nouns. Story, chapter, book, these all are nouns. You can fill these blanks with any suitable or appropriate nouns. Moving to number 4, a loud dash. Now, here loud is adjective. Now, a loud music, or you can say a loud voice. So, these all are nouns. Voice, music, these all are nouns. You can fill any noun here. So, I think now adjectives are very clear to you all. I am telling you once more, what are adjectives? Adjectives are the describing words which describe or tell us something more about nouns and pronouns. Now, I think everything is very clear to you about adjectives. See you soon in the next video. Till then, have a nice time. Take care of yourself.